Hi guys, so in the last video we installed VS Code and set up our project, and today we are finally going to start writing code. But before that I want to tell you something. After each topic that we cover, I am going to give you a coding problem to solve, because just watching a tutorial won't itself teach you how to code. To really learn, you've got to get out there and try code yourself. And that is the fastest way to learn. With that said, let's get started. So when you open your project, you will see that we already have some code written on the screen, and it may look very intimidating right now, but don't worry. You are not expected to understand any of this. Just ignore it. I promise you by the end of this course, you will understand what is the importance of each and every line and what does it do. But for now, be patient and focus. Now before we start coding, you must understand an important concept. Syntax. So syntax is basically just a bunch of rules that define the structure of any programming language. So let's take a look at the syntax for C#. So broadly there are 3 points that you have to keep in mind while writing C#. The first point is that C# is case sensitive. What that means is that in C#, the meaning of console with a capital C is different from console with a small c. The second point is that in C#, code is typed inside code blocks. As you can see here, our code is written inside these curly brackets. Lastly, every command is terminated with a semicolon. Now look at this line. Console.WriteLine, and then inside parentheses hello world, which is ended by a semicolon. So if we go ahead and run this program by clicking over here, you will see that a window will pop up and that prints out hello world. So console.WriteLine is a command or an instruction that we are giving to the computer, which is basically telling the computer that hey, just print whatever I write inside these parentheses to the console. Now let's try something else. Let's try printing our names onto the console. To do so, type console.WriteLine and then inside parentheses type your name. In my case, I will write the Big Mac, and don't forget to put your name inside inverted commas. Then end the command with a semicolon and then run the program. And you can see that it indeed prints out the Big Mac onto the console. So you just wrote your first program in C#, and it wasn't that hard, right? This is indeed a very big achievement. But now it's homework time. So what you have to do is try printing out this vertical line onto the console. And if you are able to do that, then try printing out this triangle. Now I am giving you a 10-second break to solve this problem, or you can just pause the video. But remember, if you really want to learn, don't cheat and skip ahead onto the solution. So I am assuming that you gave it your best try. Now let me share the solution. So let's clear all the code we had written till now and type console.WriteLine and inside parentheses type a bar. And don't forget to put inverted commas around it, and then end the command with a semicolon. Then we will copy this and paste the same command on the next 5 lines and run the program. As you can see that we have a vertical line printed onto the console. I've seen people making art with this. Maybe you can give that a try if you find that fun. So that's it for this video. In the next video we will be looking at variables, which is one of the most important concepts in programming. If you find this helpful, make sure that you like and subscribe. Bye, see you in the next one.